know. Hey everybody, so you guys probably wondering why I haven't filmed anything today. Number one is that I am working on stuff, important stuff. I'm watching videos that you guys keep, my subscriptions keep getting filled up. You know when you go up to subscriptions and there's like 99 plus, I had to go all the way up there and check all the videos. I'm watching some videos. I will work on the episode soon enough. It's also 8 o'clock. So I did film dinner, and now it's 6 o'clock. So, not much time passed. Anyway, it's dark now. Usually was laying in bed. I don't right now. What my foot hurt? I don't know, but when I was upstairs in the attic the other day, I found this. Which happens when I turn the light off? Watch this. You guys can't see? It's a moon. I got this upstairs up in the attic. Okay, let's turn this thing back off. Anyway, I found it upstairs in the attic. Anyway guys, if you can't see, you totally can't see, but there's shorts right over here. There's a bag of shorts, my shoe box, and a whole bunch of other laundry clothes. Alyssa's bed's over there. Alyssa hasn't been here for a while because school, her first day she said was interesting. She told me how her day was because I called her up. She said her first day was okay. Mine was okay. The second day today was interesting. Tomorrow is my third day at school, and Friday will be my fourth, and then the weekend. It's gonna be a long week. Also, I'm gonna be really behind on these episodes now that I'm back in school. Told you I wanted to get these done before school, and that didn't happen. I've been working hard with everything. I've been looking at comments, I've been commenting on some of your guys' videos, so just wait. The video will be out soon. Hey everybody, so you guys can see it's 9 o'clock. I had to come back up here again. I'm working on the episode. I'm working on August 30th right now. I'm halfway finished with the episode. I think it'll be up tomorrow. And why does my leg hurt? This leg right here hurts. When I walk, it hurts. Oh, and you guys want to know, here it is. See, a bag, shorts, shoebox, and laundry clothes. Anyway, it's been a while since I came up here, and there's my box of the camera. What I'm filming on is the box. This is the box. I have cords. Guys, you don't want to know what's in over here. There's a lot of stuff to explain over here. Ow! Ooh, cough drops. Are they still good? Are they still old? If you guys want to know, this is where I used to vlog and stuff. I used to use my computer up here. You probably want to know what happened to that. Now I'm downstairs. I'm usually in the kitchen or I'm in the living room. That's it. Don't worry about that stuff down there. There's a lot of cables. There's a lot of cables. See, there's cables over here. There's a hard drive up there. CDs. And I have a bunch of stuff that we don't have to talk about. Lacey, no, don't leave me. And you come in and after Lacey leaves. Why, miss? Why? Just why? I'm about to try this new cake. Moose wants cake. This is Devil Chocolate. Let's try this cake. It's good. It's good. I say it's really good. If you guys ever want to have this, it's really easy to make. One thing you have to say, I'll say thanks to Mom. Say thanks to Mom in the comments. But I put some hot fudge on it to make it taste a little better. So we're good. Hey everybody, so yes, it's time to go to bed. If this video was very short, I'm sorry guys. If this video was short. I think it was only 7 minutes. If this video was very short, I'm sorry about that. I've been filming only from 6 to now, yeah. Anyway guys, I gotta get ready for bed. School in the morning. And I actually my toe, it's red. My toe is red. I found it. Little cut in my foot. Anyway, I have to get ready for bed for school tomorrow. That'll wake me up in the morning. I'm tired. I have no shower on. I have my shorts. I just took a shower. I got a few things done, and the episode isn't finished yet. I'm sure it'll probably go up tomorrow. Tomorrow is Bradley's open house. We have to go to Bradley's open house tomorrow at 4. So, yeah. I'm sure the episode will probably be up like around 8. Either 4 o'clock or 8. I don't know. And I have to be up for the whole time. I can't sleep because we have to go to the open house for Bradley. So, boy, it's going to be a long day tomorrow. Anyway, guys, I'm going to head to bed, and I want to wrap this video up right. Anyway, guys, it's time to wrap up today's video. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, click the link top or below the screen, eye in the sky if you want more information. And we'll totally see you guys tomorrow. Toodles.